Hi, hello, namaskar. You all are watching Punjab Kesari. मैं हूँ आपके साथ नमस्ते. And today we have with us the national award-winning actress in South industry who has made a niche, a place for herself in Bollywood on her very own. In fact, I must say. So yes, I'm talking about Miss Priya Mani, who is with us right now. Priya, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका. How are you?
Thank you so much. Thank you for a wonderful introduction. किसी ने भी ऐसा introduction नहीं दिया मुझे. Thank you so much.
You deserve that, no?
Thank you.
Okay, so Priya, अभी excitement ज्यादा है या फिर कोविड की वजह से थोड़ा टेंशन ज्यादा है? मतलब मैं जानना चाहूंगी.
दोनों. But I think excitement बहुत ज्यादा है because अभी 25th को release होने वाला है story. तो yeah, nervousness है, excitement है. I think everything mixed in one, all in one.
I am saying that there's nothing wrong, I think, in saying कि this is a bang. मतलब his story is bang after the married woman. हमने अभी देखा उससे बाहर नहीं निकली. The same gender love get to watch again.
Yeah. But the only difference is वहाँ पे, as the title suggests, it's a married woman. यहाँ पे it says his story, so it's about, yes, it is the same. The story is pretty much the same. That is the same gender love story है, but ये obviously it's told in a different way. And it's not only about the love story between the same gender. I mean, उनके relationship के बारे में, खाली उनके relationship के बारे में नहीं है. It is also told from the point of view of a woman. So I think वो aspect बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. Because usually ऐसे stories में उनका ज़्यादा the love story between them is highlighted more. But इसमें वो है नहीं. मतलब है, that is, it's not the highlight, but it also told from the point of view of a woman. So I think it's a balance. So I think it's very beautifully told, and it's एक अच्छी सी एक love story है. And जब 25th को release होगा, सब लोग देख सकते हैं कि how it is beautiful, how it is told.
Of course, we are looking forward to watch it on 25th. और जो बात आपने कही, वही मैंने भी realize किया जब मैंने ट्रेलर को देखा कि family के point of view से ज़्यादा दिखाया गया है, especially the woman है ना, the wife. So से जानना चाहूँगी, how did this beautiful character happen to you?
अचानक से एक दिन सुपन वर्मा ने मुझे फोन किया था और बोला कि मैं एक स्टोरी लिख रहा हूँ या मैंने ऑलरेडी लिखा है, and I want you to listen to it. उसके बाद तुम्हारी मर्जी अगर तुम करना चाहते हो या नहीं करना चाहते हो, बट एक बार तुम सुन लो. And the way I know Supern is because उन्होंने Family Man 2 में भी थोड़े एपिसोड्स उन्होंने डायरेक्ट किए हैं. So that's how I have this I got to know of Supern Verma. And तो उन्होंने मुझे ये स्टोरी बोला. तो जब उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था तो I didn't know कि मेरा, because the first thing he said is initially it was not called his story, it was called something else. तो उस टाइम से I think, and I can very proudly say कि I was the first actor to be on board his story before anybody else was selected. And he said it's a very strong character, बहुत ही अच्छा है, and I think you'll be able to pull it off. So एक बार आप सुन लो, फिर उसके बाद जो भी आप करना चाहते हैं. So I said ठीक है, देखती हूँ कि let me listen to it. तो जब उन्होंने बोला था तो initially I did not know कि मेरा contribution कितना होगा, because as the title suggests, as the stories was about the same gender relationship. तो मैंने just पूछा, एक बात मैंने सुपर्ण से पूछा कि will my contribution, or will I be seen in the story, or will I just be like, will I just come and go? They said नहीं, आप एक बार सुन लो, फिर उसके बाद you can take your decision and make your choice. ऐसे ठीक है. तब जब उन्होंने बोला था तो slowly it just got me intrigued. It just got me, I was like, अरे यार, अरे क्या बात कर रहे हैं, अरे what are you saying? तो मैंने ऐसे I kept reacting to it, and I immediately, I think within 2-3 days मैंने हाँ बोला, and I was part of the project. And because as I said, it's very beautifully told. ये ऐसे एक story में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, yes, because they say that it's the same gender relationship, people can sort of expect maybe a little bit of bold scenes or sensualism or eroticism, कुछ भी expect करेंगे. But I'm very I can very proudly say that all that is not there. It's a very beautifully told love story, but हाँ, point of view of the girl भी है कि वो कैसे ये situation को handle करती है, because 20 साल उसने एक she's got this beautiful family. She's married to this wonderful man. She's got two wonderful kids. And 20 saal ke baad, all of a sudden, she just comes across this incident, or this incident happens where she's like her life completely turns, and she's like, तो क्या वो हैंडल कर पाती है, क्या वो सिचुएशन से बाहर आ सकती है या नहीं, how she handles the situation, how she handles her family, how she handles her business, how she handles the situation that has been thrown at her. तो ये सब जब सुपर ने बोला था, ऐसे अरे यार, something interesting to be a part of, and ऐसे एक सेम सेक्स रिलेशनशिप के बारे में ये स्टोरी मैंने कभी किया नहीं है. So in my career graph, that is one thing that is ticked, that I was a part of. I'm also a part of such a project.
Very nice and so beautifully you have told. In fact, मुझे तो और ज़्यादा excitement है कि जल्दी से release हो जाए. जी. हाँ, जैसे same gender love story है, we all know. I think like having a fear of letting people know about who you are, है ना, about the same gender love.
Yeah.
It's important. Acceptance of your own family is there, है ना. This is the need of the hour, मुझे लगता है. So what did you realize after working into this kind of a project?
One thing I realized is, at the end of the day, they are also men. I mean, they're also people. They're also, if not, I think they're better than us in any which way. I think because उनके मन बहुत साफ होता है, जो यहाँ पे हैं वो बोल देते हैं. They don't keep anything in their hearts, and they're very, very, very wonderful, beautiful people, and they also have every right to live and love at the end of the day. And देखिए मैडम, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे प्यार प्यार होता है, चाहे वो आदमी से हो या औरत से हो. प्यार की कोई भाषा नहीं होती है. एंड they also want to be loved at the end of the day. They want to be accepted at the end of the day by the society. And here is hoping that जब his story बाहर आ जाए, when people see the story, they also broaden their minds that ऐसे लोगों को भी accept करना चाहिए. Because as I said, they obviously have every right to live in our society. They have every right to be a part of one of us. So that's what I learned from this while shooting, that they also, at the end of the day, they need to be loved. And from his story point of view, agar aap dekhoge to, for a person like, for a character like Kunal, he has been married to a woman for 20 years, and suddenly usko अपना एक soulmate मिलता है. And it is not easy for him. I mean, he also has to manage his family and his love life also. So it is difficult for them also to, manage all of this. But I think it is very beautifully told that how they, he also loves his family at the end of the day, because उनके बिना वो नहीं रह सकता है. And there is a beautiful dialogue also कि हाँ, when if I'd like to say it, where Kunal says, हाँ मुझे प्रीत जैसा एक soulmate मिला है, but every day in my prayers I always tell God that I thank you and the kids for being a part of my family and for being part of me, and I've loved you for 20 years and वो कभी नहीं जाएगा. So I think that is a very beautiful line that the character has told, that at the end of the day, all he wants is acceptance of who he is. That's all.
One dialogue and one starting of the trailer I also love is like, life is never perfect, है ना? And especially at the point it is. What are your thoughts?
Yes. Yeah, I can definitely say nobody is perfect. Life is not perfect. I think it is how you make it perfect. I mean, perfection is a myth, but I will definitely say that it is the way you take it every day as it comes, and try your best to make it perfect as possible, irrespective of who you are and irrespective of your preferences and whatever. I think it is how you take life every day as it comes, and how you make, even if it is turning into a negative, how you can take the negative and make it into a positive.
अच्छा, मैंने ट्रेलर में एक और चीज देखी जहाँ पे प्रिया एक पार्टी में कह रही होती है कि मुझे दो ही चीजों ने इंस्पायर किया, एक तो अच्छा पति, दैट्स कुणाल, एंड दो हॉरिबल, बट आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, है ना?
Yeah, because there is a very sweet, cute relationship between the four of them. That is Sakshi, Kunal, and the kids. And kids का character ऐसा है कि I mean, you have this typical, the first kid is the typical वो jock boy होता है जो मतलब all brawn and no brain. The character I'm saying, not the actor. So he is like this typical brawn, no brain. Matlab, pura he tries. He's the show off boy in the school, and he wants to be the what do you say, the hot thing for everybody to like him, kind of with girls school. Aisa. And the second boy is more of a nerd. वो ज़्यादा पढ़ता है, ऐसा है. So there is a different dynamic with the kids also, but it's a very cute, nice, beautifully told story between the four of them, that the relationship that चारों जो share करते हैं, चाहे वो छोटे-छोटे incidents हो या like this. Because why she says horrible बच्चे is because they hardly they if I can just share this one small thing, it's like they know that their mother and father, they're very successful, and they're very they're very elite business woman and man. और वो, as I said, एक jock boy होता है जो हमेशा अपने looks पे he is more about his looks rather than being for the family sort of a thing. And the second one is more like he's a nerd, and तो इसीलिए she, and half the time they don't bother that उनके माँ बाप मतलब third एक restaurant खोल रहे हैं, and they have to be a part of it, but they are more in their own world and things like that. So that's why she just tries to break the ice, saying मेरे horrible बच्चे जो they clearly forgot that it's their mother's big night sort of a thing. So it's just a cute dynamic between the mother and the kids and things like that.
वैसे रियल लाइफ में क्या-क्या इंस्पायर करता है प्रिया?
I think it's just anybody for that matter inspire me. My husband inspires me. आप मुझे inspire करते हो. Anybody for that matter, any person going on the road will probably inspire me as to how hard they work and to make ends meet, basically. So I think everybody is an inspiration.
Whenever we watch you on screen, you are a delight to watch. तो मैं ये देखती रहती हूँ कि आप चीजों को किस तरह से natural, effortless बना देते हो on screen. So how do you do that?
I don't know. I just try to bring in as real nuances as possible कि शायद अगर ये मैं होती रियल लाइफ में तो मैं कैसे करती, या ऐसा अगर सिचुएशन मुझे रियल लाइफ में फेस करना पड़े तो मैं कैसे फेस करूं. And so I think that is the thing which I try to bring as much as realism as possible. Don't bring too much of drama into it. अगर मुझे लगे कि थोड़ा ड्रामाइश लग रहा है, चाहे वो डायलॉग थ्रू हो या एक्शन थ्रू हो, so I will I'll take a step back and I'll say अरे यार थोड़ा ड्रामाइश लग रहा है. And even during dubbing also, अगर मुझे लगे कि बहुत loud हो रहा है या it's going a little off character, so I try to go one more and say to make it as real as possible, because लोगों को ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि अरे यार ऐसे मैं भी ये करूंगी. I also will handle the situation in the same way. So I try to bring all that when I act, because I'm a very if I can say this, if I'm a very instinctive actor, so जो मुझे उस spot में जो मुझे सही लगे वो मैं करूंगी. And Prashant as a director has been, not only Prashant, मतलब सारे directors have been very sweet to incorporate that idea that if I feel that मुझे ये सही लगेगा तो मैं करूंगी. Like I say that I feel like मुझे ये character ऐसा करना चाहिए. I feel this is what she would do. Me as a person, real life में मैं ये करूंगी, but I don't know how. And I feel Sakshi would also do the same thing. करके अगर मैं if I make such a suggestion, the director has been really sweet to accommodate all that. And in another way also, he has said, देखो अभी ये scene है, this is what I feel, but you as actors, you can bring in as much as you want to the scene. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि साक्षी क्या करेगी, या आपको क्या लगता है कि कुणाल क्या करेगा, या बच्चे क्या करेंगे, शिवाय क्या करेगा, श्लोक क्या करेगा. They're the kids' names, by the way. So we as actors, we all bring in and we say, I think मुझे लगता है कि साक्षी को ऐसा करना चाहिए, साक्षी को ऐसा feel होना चाहिए, साक्षी ऐसे करेगी. Yeah, I don't think she would react this way, sort of a thing. So yeah, and I think I'd also try to bring in the real, maybe such incidents if I've seen in real life or something, because Hamesha we keep observing a lot of people around us and we try to incorporate all that in when we, some similar situation agar shooting mein aa jaye, to agar kuch incident aisa almost similar lage, to we can bring all that in and things like that. So I try to make it as real as possible.
I must say, improvisation makes like your character as far as more better. like है ना, उसमें थोड़ा सा और add on हो जाता है. Plus acting seems to be easier on screen, but it is not
Yeah.
actually an easy. How much do
It
you
is
agree with
not. It is actually not. Yeah.
Okay, so we have seen your inspiring journey from South to Bollywood. Many of the actresses have taken a jump, a shift from South to Bollywood, we have seen. And I must say that you're really inspiring for others to see and to have a look. So what are your realization being into the industry for so long? It's been more than like almost a 2 decades.
19, 20 years. Yeah, yeah. I can just say that industry has thrown a lot at you. I have obviously right from the time I started till now, I have waited a lot for my films to release. मतलब जब मैंने start किया था 2002 में start किया था, तो जब भी मैं film start करती हूँ, it takes about a year to release. So the waiting game मुझे उस time पे मुझे बहुत it taught me a lot. I think it taught me a lot of patience. That नहीं मतलब release होगा, for sure release होगा, but yes somewhere मुझे वो impatience, I'm actually in real life मैं बहुत ही impatient हूँ, but slowly मैं patience सीख रही हूँ अभी भी, कि sometimes it happens, the waiting game happens, कि जब आप एक movie करते हो वो release होने में time लगता है, whatever the reason. I'm not stating COVID as a reason right now, but जो भी हो, like before pre-COVID also, जब भी मैं movie करती थी, release होने में थोड़ा time लगता. So we used to keep asking क्यों time लग रहा है release होने में, आपने बोला था कि ये आज release होगा, कल release होगा, परसों release होगा. So I got to also know that, from the post-production side, that there could have been some problem with probably the editing, yeah, music, yeah, something. So that actually taught me a lot. So I'm learning to be very patient right now. So I think वही मैंने industry से सीखा है कि be patient, होगा. One day or the other it will come out. Just work hard, be yourself, work hard, and one day or the other your hard work will definitely pay off.
Achha, can I ask you, what was the biggest challenge when Priya entered into Bollywood for the very first time and she started initially?
I don't know. I think the biggest challenge was how will I carry off the character, because I did not want half the people to say, "Arey, aap to South Indian ho," and to put me as a South Indian in all the movies. In case if I was doing Bollywood films, I did not want them to typecast me as a South Indian speaking Hindi person. Which yes did happen in Family Man, but the character ही ऐसा था कि South Indian but born and brought up in Matunga, यहाँ पे वहाँ पे थोड़ा तमिल बात करती है, and अगर आप देखोगे तो scenes में भी she puts in idli सांबार, ये वो in between तमिल में बात करती है. एक ऐसा ये है कि उतना उसका एक इन्फ्लुएंस इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि जब मनोज सर कश्मीर में जाते हैं वो भी अरे मुझे इडली सांबार चाहिए. So the character itself was like that. And I'm very happy that abhi Bollywood has opened its doors for a lot of South Indians, chahe wo technicians ho, chahe wo artists ho, and I'm very happy that they're not typecasting the South Indians as, because I remember earlier when, अगर वो joke के लिए भी हो सकता है, या just for the entertainment factor, that जब भी वो एक character को South Indian बोलते हैं, the Hindi that they speak was very, very, "Aryo, kya ji aap, kya aisa bolte hai?" So I have never come across any South Indian speaking Hindi like that. I must say that I think half the South Indians that I know, जो भी हिंदी बात करते हैं, बहुत अच्छी तरह से बात करते हैं हिंदी. They never speak like this. Albeit I must say that it must be for entertainment, so I just let it go. तो मुझे only वो एक challenge लगा कि I hope that they don't cast me like a South Indian speaking Hindi person. So that was one of the challenges that I thought that, they should not cast me like that just because Family Man में character ऐसा था, ऐसे, you should not typecast me like that. But I'm fortunate that they're not.
But आप language barrier था कि मतलब मुझे हिंदी बोलना पड़ेगा या learn करना पड़ेगा या इस तरह?
नहीं, मुझे I know Hindi because I studied Hindi. हिंदी मेरा school में second language था, and so I did not have any problem with Hindi. I still don't. I don't think others also have a problem with my Hindi, so I'm okay. Actually
not. So do you think that you are according to your potential, or do you think that you are getting your due in Bollywood now?
If you ask me like that, no. I still am hungry to do more. I would want to do more. I'll never say that I've got my due, or but I'm just happy that I've been recognized. मेरा work recognized हो रहा है, चाहे वो OTT में हो, चाहे वो हिंदी, I mean movies में हो. I am getting a lot of work. I am getting a lot of offers, at least. Let me put it that way. But I'm taking my time, and I don't want to say yes to each and everything that comes my way.
And what is the best part of exploring digital medium, Priya?
I think the best part is आप अपने घर में बैठ के देख सकते हैं at the comfort of your own homes at any time of the day, चाहे वो सुबह हो, शाम हो. You can just sit and watch it at the comfort of your own homes. You don't have to get ready. You can just sit in a t-shirt and jeans, or a t-shirt and pajama. You can sit in your nightie and watch whatever show you want at any time of the day. So that is the one thing that I have experienced about the OTT platform. Which that is, and obviously abhi agar aap dekhoge to content is also very, very good, very meaningful content that is coming out on all the platforms, not only on Alt or not only on ZEE5 and whatever, but I think the content is great on all the platforms. So you can just sit and watch whatever you want to watch whenever you want to watch.
And from the perspective of actors, if I talk about, like, do you think they are getting more chance to explore like the hidden talent of themselves, something like जो वो फिल्मों में कभी कभी नहीं कर पाए थे, आजकल उनको ये मौका मिल रहा है कि वो डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स के थ्रू, OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स के थ्रू बाहर आ सके?
I don't know whether you can say वो hidden talent हो या जो वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं and things like that. It's basically it's all how the story has been told, and how the actors take it forward, how they make it more convincing. And another thing I can say is OTT platform may, the content is getting so real, and it's getting so, it's very different from your regular movie content jo hai. Movie mein, it can be like one particular formula, but isme you're tapping on different zones where probably movies may not have been, what's the word I'm looking for? Maybe movies were not that accepting to such concepts, whereas OTT is open to any sort of a concept, and they're accepting also. They're like, okay, this is a nice concept, hum log karenge, let's work on it, sort of a thing. And so how they develop the concept and how they make it into a series or a story or whatever. So I think that is quite interesting about an OTT.
Means you're getting freedom on OTT platform as compared to cinema, right?
A little more, yes.
Okay, who are the Bollywood you want to work with, and actors too, if I ask about?
Like that, if you ask, I'd want to work with everybody. I mean, right from Shah Rukh Khan to Amitabh Sir to anybody. Give me a name, I'd say yes. Why not? I mean, there's so much of talent in Bollywood. Each and everybody is talented. I won't say no. So why not? I mean, if there is a nice script that comes my way which says you're working with such a person, I'd say yes. And if agar acha lage, to definitely make it. I mean, agar mujhe acha lage, to make it.
शाहरुख के साथ डांस करने का तो ऑलरेडी मौका मिल ही चुका है.
या बट उनके साथ एक्टिंग करने का मौका नहीं मिला, तो वो मैं वेट कर रही हूँ.
डेफिनेटली, इंशाल्लाह वो भी बहुत जल्द मिलेगा आपको. So this time we see not many films, in fact no films are in theaters. So do you think digital is the need of the hour these days?
Digital is definitely the future. It's definitely it is the future, if I can say. And abhi unfortunately because of the second wave, वापस theaters shut हो गए. But before that, yes, there were a bit of when the theaters were open. They did say that there was only 50% occupancy and things like that, and एक seat को छोड़ के एक seat में बैठना, which was obviously good on their part to maintain social distancing and things like that. I just wish that the second wave gets over soon and again वापस theaters open हो जाए, because theaters में जो experience है वो कहीं नहीं मिलेगा आपको. Not even on an OTT platform, but it's, as I said, the experience is different when you sit in the theater, like 70mm screen में जब आप देखोगे, the sound and the popcorn and everything. So वो experience बहुत, that is different, that you will not get anywhere. Even if you sit at home and watch it on an OTT, I mean, it's a different thing when you sit at home and watch it on OTT, because you're at home and you're not going out and you're being safe and things like that. But theater का जो experience है वो theater में ही मिलेगा, and वो you can't get that experience anywhere else. So I'm hoping that very soon the second wave finishes fast and the situations are back to normal and we're able to go to theaters and watch movies again for the experience.
at home, what more you are exploring in yourself these days? अभी आजकल तो लॉकडाउन हो गया ना दोबारा से.
नहीं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. I'm just working as in अभी जा रही हूँ dubbing. In fact, after this I'm lunch खाने के बाद I'm going for my dubbing. And
Okay.
yeah, I'm just being at home and spending as much time as possible with family.
Okay, so I'm like glad कि work has not come to a halt once again, like in 2020.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. In that way it's good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Priya, for talking to me on. Please take care.
I will. Thank you.